Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala, taking a quick couple moments to introduce you to another fresh arrival. It's this 23 Dodge Ram with 3,000 miles. It's a four-wheel drive, has the powerful Eco Diesel motor with a ton of torque. This is a nice driving truck that we just got in at Prestige Auto Sales. It has a one-owner Carfax factory tow package. It has just a ton of factory warranty on it, set of Bridgestone radials, smoke-free cabin, very spacious rear area, rubber floor mats, lots of technology plug-in in both the front and the back. Has a nice big screen, steering wheel controls. This is a beautiful truck. I've driven it a couple times. It is really a nice truck. Over $66,000. This one has 3,000 miles on it. We've got it value priced at $53,895 already on the lot, and I've just started a July special to price it down even more. This is Chris at Prestige in Ocala. It's our goal daily to make it both easy and affordable to help our neighbors own nicer, newer cars, trucks, and SUVs. This is Chris at Prestige, 694-1234, and our website, chrissaysyes.com. Nice trucks, but we don't buy them to keep. Come check us out.